marinate chicken, add salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, black pepper powder, half lemon juice, curd, ginger garlic paste, and mix it and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Once marination done, cool it down to room temperature. So meanwhile, we'll grind the masala. Heat the pan, add refined oil, then onions. Mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once half cooked, mix the grinded masala. Mix it properly and leave it for about 1 minute. Then add mint leaves. Mix it. Once the masala is half cooked, add turmeric powder, chicken masala powder, and dhania powder, coriander powder. Mix it. Mix it thoroughly. If required, add water. So once masala is half cooked, add the marinated chicken. After adding, mix it thoroughly and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Check the consistency, add water if required. Check the consistency and add water as much you require. So once done, mix it properly and add salt to taste. Once done, close the lid and we'll wait for 4 to 5 whistles. Chicken masala is ready.